Hello everyone, it's your favorite Rite couponer bringing you the Rite deals for the week of September 29th to October 5th of 2024. Hope you guys are having a great day. So, yes, I did have an amazing trip, and I'm going to tell you guys all the deals that I've done. So let's talk about some of the things that I've done first. So my friend Galina, she's the one that shared with us the 5 off 15 coupon back last year. So I'm so grateful for her for sharing that coupon. It's because, that coupon, actually all of us used it. So, definitely blessings to her for letting us know about that coupon last year. And unfortunately, she moved to a different state, so she was not able to use her bonus cash on her account. So I think there was like $16 and $15 on her account. There's like the bonus cash challenge money. So what I've done is, actually yesterday the monthly deals for September ended, so I actually picked up some school supplies on her accounts, and I earned the $2 in bonus cash back for purchasing it. And then today I just used up all the money. So let's talk about some of the deals. So unfortunately, since I don't have access to her account, I was not able to clip the digital coupon for the Pepsi or Frito-Lay or whatever it's called. The bubbly is kind of part of it too. So anyway, it's okay. These were $1.79 each at my store, and the shortbread cookies were $2. And she had, I think, $10.98 on this card, but I was only able to use $10.95. So anyway, it's fine with me. I'm very, very blessed that she gave it to me to use, and I was able to use her bonus cash, and wisely, I must add. And I'm gonna submit this for $2 back for the bubbly, so we'll see. All right, so that's great and all. And yeah, and then on the next one, so that account only had $7, no, not $7, $8.70. So oh my god, guys, this was like literally so crazy. I picked up 6 of the cheese sticks at 89 cents each, and then I picked up the Arizona iced tea at 79 cents each because these are on sale. And my subtotal was $8.50. My tax was 21 cents, so I was actually 1 cent over. But I paid the $8.70 on the card, right on the rewards bonus cash, and 1 cent with a penny. So I was so happy to be able to get this, and thank you so much to Galina for sharing her card. Then I was able to utilize her bonus cash, and I got some things that I really wanted. So thank you so much to Galina. Alright, moving on, some of my cards unfortunately had bonus cash expiring, so for the one card that had $3.45 expiring, I just purchased 4 cheese sticks at 89 cents each. Alright, so I believe that came to $3.56, and that's it. I got to roll my bonus cash, and anyway, I don't really care. I'm just spending down the money. The other card had, I think it was 70 cents expiring, so I just picked up the Arizona iced tea. Why not? Pretty good deal there. Now, moving on to the weekly deals of the week. So these are the amazing deals that I've picked up. So yeah, let me talk about the first thing. So if you guys didn't know, there is another barcode, I guess I can say. So I posted all 5 barcodes. So there's circular, email, social, web, and there's a new one called digital. So I was able to utilize that digital one because I wanted to see if it scans. So yeah, we have that, and we have a buy 30 get $10 in bonus cash back this week, so there's a lot of rolling bonus cash probably this week. Alright, so now the only thing is the certain dry. I couldn't print the manufacturer coupons, but if you can print the coupons, then it'll be a better deal for you. So anyway, the certain dries were $10.49 at my store. I wanted the cashier to give it to me for $9.99 each, but unfortunately he was not able to do so, so I was kind of shocked about that, but I paid an extra $1 basically. So I don't know. 2 weeks ago it was $8.99 each, so that's kind of interesting to see. Alright, so yeah, $10.49, and it's buy 2 and get $12 in bonus cash back. So that's pretty good, I think, and if you have manufacturer coupons, they'll make it even better. I found these Almay on clearance for $4.12. They had the price modified for me, but I was able to utilize that because I have, what do you call it, I bought a rebate for $3 back for each Almay face product, so I picked that up. And then I just picked up a Ruffles sour cream chips because I just need to get to $30 mark. Alright, so basically my subtotal was $31.91, and my tax was $1.63. So my total was $33.54, and I got back $22 in bonus cash, so $12 for the certain dry and $10 for the a week barcode. Alright, so it is a bit of a loss, but I will be getting back $6 for the Almay. So yeah, I think that will still cover it. So it'll be like $28, and I paid $33, so $5 loss. If you have the manufacturer coupons for a certain dry, then it will be like just $1, just paying taxes for those things, so which is pretty good. So I'm not too upset about that. For the next card, this is the most amazing deal. Alright, so these Colace Stool Softening Gummies are $25, and we have a bonus cash monthly deal for $10 back when you buy one, limit of 4 offers per card, and we have a $4 Ibotta rebate. If you can print the manufacturer coupon, which unfortunately I did not, but that'll be a huge money maker, you know, in the end. So anyway, yeah, so it was $25, and then I added the 4 vitamin E sticks. It was buy one get one free at $2.99. So yeah, the subtotal was like what, $30.98. I got to use the $5 manufacturer coupon for the vitamin E, and then 2 of the $2 off coupons for the vitamin E. Alright, so that was pretty okay in my eyes. Alright, so my subtotal comes to $21.98. Alright, and I got back $20 in bonus cash, so $10 for the Colace and $10 for the weekly promotion for buy 30 get 10. Alright, so this is on a different card, and I'm going to submit for the $4 back on Ibotta plus the $1.25 back for the vitamin E stick. So that will make this a completely free plus a money maker, and I'm really happy about that because that covers the cost of that a little bit. Alright, now moving on to this deal. So this one was a little bit of a cost. Alright, so the elderberry rang up $8.74 at this store, which is crazy, and the certain dry were $10.49 each, and the vitamin E sticks were $2.99. So I used the $5 off 2 for the vitamin E stick. Unfortunately, I didn't realize I didn't have a Nature's Bounty coupon, so unfortunately I lost out on $1.50 on that. Or maybe they don't even have any Nature's Bounty coupons, but whatever. Alright, so my subtotal comes to $27.71. My tax was $1.18, so it comes to $28.89. Alright, I got back $22 in bonus cash, and I'll be getting back $3 and $1.25 from Ibotta for the elderberry and the vitamin E stick. So that should be a okay deal, I guess. It'll cover the cost of this some of the stuff, so I'm not really that upset. But if I had the certain dry manufacturer coupons, it would have been even better. If you can even print them, you know, last time I couldn't even print them. And then I did the same thing over here for the Colace. The only thing is that I actually had 2 of the no, I'm sorry, I had 4 of the $2 off coupons for the vitamin E sticks, so I was able to use those. Alright, so $25 for the Colace, and then the vitamin E sticks were $2.99, $2.99. Alright, so my subtotal actually comes to $22.98, and I got back $20 in bonus cash, so 10 and 10. Alright, and then I'll get back whatever the vitamin E stick from Ibotta, and $4 back from Ibotta for the Colace. So that makes it a free plus moneymaker deal right there. So yeah, this was my Rite Aid haul for the week. I know that I'm just rolling the bonus cash out. If hopefully you can find some of these deals. At least the Colace is a huge moneymaker if you can print the manufacturer coupon, and that's what I'm exactly going to do for next time, so I can at least roll my bonus cash on my other cards. And yeah, so we have the multiple barcodes for the week, and hopefully you guys will be able to take advantage of, hopefully. And yeah, that's all for the haul. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, comment down below what deals you're doing this week. Thank you so much to those that are still watching these videos. I really do appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.